Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to cover Facebook Audience Insights. So this tool is very amazing tool and after seeing this video you'll fall in love with it. Let's get started. So if you are in a business manager, Facebook business manager, or if you are in a personal Facebook ad account, you can click here, click this three horizontal lines and go to audience insights. Just click on it and reach audience insights. So I have business manager, so I can do the same using it. I can click on audience insight and it is going to open a new screen for me, and this is where all the magic happens. So Facebook asked that, hey, do you like to analyze your audience which have liked your page, or you want to analyze everyone on Facebook? So let's analyze everyone on Facebook. So here I wanna do India, and let's say if you wanna do United States as well, you can put two countries, but for now let's remove United States. Age group I want to target is, let's say, 25 to 40, and I want to analyze the age group 25 to 40, and let's analyze the women first. And then let's say if you want to, if you want to sell something related to casino, let's say casino, people who are interested in casino, you want to analyze that audience, so you can put that interest. And you can even do a lot of things, like all the women who are single, in a relationship, engaged, married, what are their educations. You can also filter by that. But for now, if you want to analyze these audiences, and who also speaks English, like who knows some English, and then you wanna maybe check something like who life events is, like who live away from hometown or who live away from family. So you wanna analyze these women. So what are their interests, and what do they like? So let's go to page likes. So in page likes, it tells that most of them likes Global Desi, Vero Moda, which is a women's brand, Shop Nari, and so these are the top pages that they like, and you can target these pages if you want to reach out to these women, and they are more likely to match the audience that you have listed on the left hand side. So and also you are kind of getting some idea about this audience. If you do location, you'll know that I mean, not much significant data over here, but you can see top languages. So like English is the top language, and as we have also selected it on the left hand side, and now it shows that uh, like are they sharing, or like are they clicking on more and more ads, are they open to clicking on ads or not, and then are they sharing the post? For example, these women, they are not sharing posts much, and but they are clicking on ads. So if you're looking for getting more shares on your post, then this might not be the right audience for you. And what are the devices they are using? They are using mobile device, they are using Android or iPhone. So 19% of them are using iPhone. So now let's say if you would like to um, like do the gender as all, and if you want to explore let's say someone who likes Swiggy or maybe Zomato. Let's see. So we have Zomato. So all the people who like Zomato, who are using Zomato services, or have like more chances of using the Zomato, we want their data. So let's see. Let me refresh the page to come up with a fresh information. So So here we are. So for the Zomato, we want to track all the people who are above, let's say, 23 to 40, and we want to see what kind of things they like. So what you can do to come up with new audiences, you can get an idea. For example, Zomato, and then we have Pizza Hut. You can target all the people who like Pizza Hut, Nescafe, and you can also target Kit Kat, Maggie. So people who are expressing more interest into these food products, they have high affinity of being close to Zomato, which might be your target audience. So, for example, let's say if you launch an online food delivery shop, it might be your target. And if you want to try, let's say New Delhi, you want to do New Delhi, you can do that. So it's about, for example, if you have a brand and you want to talk to the people, talk to the New Delhi people in a different way, and you can talk to the Mumbai people in a different way, you can talk to the Bangalore people in a different way. So you get some kind of idea about these people. And let's say if you want to see all the people who live away from the family and away from the hometown, what do they like? So here it is, Ferrero Rocher. So you can target people who like Ferrero Rocher as well. And I mean, this interest, it came out of nowhere. We were never thinking about that. So if you want to target someone who is away from the family, who is away from the hometown, and have interest in Zomato, chances are they might have liked the Ferrero Rocher as well. You can put that interest, you can try it in your ad, you can split test and see if this interest is giving you more result or not. Look, Facebook ads is all about testing different interest, like testing different ad sets. And when you know that, okay, this ad works well, now I want to find out more audiences, I want to tap into more audiences who might be good for me. So you can tap into this audience. So then you have, under the demographics, you can see 41% are women, 59% are men, and then 7% are in relationships, 46% are single, and then 44% of them are married. And then you have like what are their job titles. Most of them are in IT and technical services. So uh, another thing is location must be like uh, mostly should be. So let's see. All right, so now we have Delhi under the location. And activity you wanna see, like are they clicking on ads or not. Remember last time it was 31, now it is 26. So you also have to figure out some audience which is more likely to click on ads. And you can see like how receptive they are to ads. And this time if you select audience, you'll see that, okay, these are mostly from Delhi and like nearby places. Also, usually people keep on coming to Delhi and then they commute back. So now let's say if you want to analyze your page. So let me uh, restart this audience insight, and let's analyze our page, our Facebook page. Uh, so go to the audience, and under the audience you can do like people who connect to your page, or you can also choose that from here, like people who connect to your page. And I can type in my page Rajat Khai, and from the audience I can type in India, because most of my page likers are from India. And you can see what's the age, let's say 24 to, I mean, you can analyze almost everyone actually in this case. And so all the people who have liked my page, you can analyze them. Okay, 87% of them are men, 13% women, 25 to 34 age group are the citizen. Then this is the relationship status. This is single, married, high school, college, grad school. This is their education level. Most of them are into IT and technical services, and some of them are into business and finance, sales. And then if I click on it, it will sort it down, and you'll see that some of them are into management as well. So it's so it's like it's like you can grab the data and use it in your content, like, okay, this kind of audience I have, so maybe I can speak to them regarding this. So if you see the page likes, they are liking. So for example, these are some of the other people who are into online marketing, and they are liking these pages. And then it's like so probably it's like Help My Business, one of the websites, so which other people are targeting. Saurav Jain is other people are targeting. I mean, they will be having the same audience as my page. And here Deepak is also going to have the same audience. So this tool is quite accurate, because the people that are in my that have liked my page, they are into digital marketing, and these guys are also into digital marketing. So you can target like audiences of these people as well in this case, which is good for you, because you get to know that, okay, other people are liking it. And then I mean, this is how much people have clicked on ads, if they have shared or not. You know that, okay, my audience is not someone who is going to share a lot, because they have less tendency of sharing the post posted by other people. And most of them are from like Android smartphones in India. Most of the people have an Android device, and 31% of them is using like desktop and mobile both. And which is a very good data to prove that most of the people are, I mean, everyone is using mobile these days, so you have to optimize for mobile. But some people, they buy, even including me, so many people buy from their laptop. They search the product from mobile phone, but then after searching from mobile phone, they buy products from laptop. So you can also do like gender, and you can also add like, okay, I want to track the audience of this page, and I want to see all the audience who is into entertainment sector. I mean, my page as well as entertainment. So it is going to give you more idea about, I mean, those who have interest into entertainment, and they have liked my page as well. Tell me more about them, Facebook. So Facebook is going to give you an idea about those people. So it's about that thing. So, guys, I hope you like this video, and it was all about the Facebook audience insight. So, make sure you subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.